Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we will make something unique, cheap, and certainly environmentally friendly. Yep, we will make a flower pot from cement and used bottle caps. Besides being unique, this can also be a business idea. So don't go anywhere, watch it until the end. First, pour water into the container that has been filled with sand, so that the sand is wet so that it is easier to form like the mold that we have prepared. Then stir until smooth so that all the sand is wet. After the water and sand are mixed evenly, pour the sand into the mold. After the water and sand are mixed evenly, pour the sand into the mold. Then turn the mold that has been filled with sand over so that the sand forms like the mold. After the sand has formed like a mold, then tidy up the parts that are not neat or the corners of the sand that have formed a mold. Then, pour the cement into a container, then mix water into the container that is already filled with cement. After the water is mixed with the cement, stir until smooth. The texture should not be too runny and not too thick either. After the water is mixed with the cement, stir until smooth. The texture should not be too runny and not too thick either. Then tidy it up using a special cement spoon, so that the cement mixture on the mold looks smooth and neat. Then take the used bottle caps, then stick them one by one on the cement surface. This bottle cap will leave a unique pattern on our flower pot, so make sure it is positioned as desired. After all the bottle caps are installed, then pour the cement mixture onto the surface of the flower pot. This top surface is the bottom of the flower pot. Then tidy it up slowly so that the flower pot looks beautiful and attractive. Then add flower pot legs using syrup bottle caps. Use them on the 4 corners. Then put the colorful bottle caps back on, or just random colors so it looks attractive. After all the bottle caps are installed, then we have to wait for 24 hours so that the cement dries and the flower pot is ready for us to use. After the pot is left for at least 24 hours, or until it is completely dry and hard, so that it is easier to remove the mold. Once dry, we just need to open the mold. And ta-ra! The flower pot made from cement and used bottle caps is ready. Just clean the remaining cement using sandpaper to make it smoother. This pot is not only strong, but also weatherproof, suitable for both inside and outside the house. And of course, it is more economical because the material is from used goods. How? It's really easy, right? You can create your own shape and color according to your taste. You can make a personal collection or even sell it to earn extra income. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe so you don't miss other creative videos from this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next creative video. DIY greetings, stay creative, and care for the environment.